Life is fucking good, dude. Life is so good. That's insane, dude. Wow. Is there anyone behind me? I can't even get a picture of that. The freaking greenery's in the way. Oh shit. I totally should have turned around. I'll get it on the way back. Oh, twisties, dude. I love this. This is awesome. Oh, yeah. Oh, no way. Oh! This is fucking awesome, dude. Wow. No way, a tunnel. I love tunnels. Wow. Sick. Oh, this is echoing off the stone, dude. This is awesome. Wow, dude. What? What? Dude, what? 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 Oh my god! Oh my god, dude. What? 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 Ah! Fucking tripping and shit. What? What? Oh, I need to pop the squat for a minute. Oh. Wow. No, I'm good. I'm gonna stand up now. What? Oh my god, dude. I just want to drive now. What? 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 Oh my god, dude. No way. Is this a spot to pull out? Oh my god, not really. Wow. Wow. What? That's unreal, dude. What? I'm gonna stop right there, pal, buddy. What? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. What? Oh my god, I just want to throw a rock. No freaking way. What? What? This is unreal, dude. I just feel like a little tiny ant. This is sick. This is freaking nuts. Get it? Get it with the sun shining down on it? Oh yeah, it's a freaking beauty. What? Dude. What? What? Dude. Oh, a pine cone, I'm throwing that 100%. Is anyone looking? Kobe! Oh my god. Get out of my way, stupid car. Get out of my shot. I might need 60 frames a second for this one. This is insane. Oh my god. Oh. Dude, this is nuts. I can't wait to go drive more, but like, I'm just gonna be stuck in a line of cars like these people. Alright, I'm gonna leave now. Because if I don't, I never will. Probably gonna catch up to the car in front of me in like half a second. Alright, Utah, you need to pull over, dude, please. Oh my god, dude, that's a mountain rain. Oh, these squiggly lines, dude, this would be fucking phenomenal if I didn't have some Honda in front of me. Everywhere you look, dude, it's just like, whoa. Holy crap. Oh my god, dude. I know for a fact GoPro will not do any justice on this. This is like something you have to see in person because it's just absolutely insane. Like, there is no way. Oh, Billy. Oh yeah. That's death right there. Oh yeah. Ooh, I'm too excited for this. This is freaking awesome, dude. Nice! God, dude, what? No way. This is incredible. Absolutely in-freaking-sane. Look, it's raining. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. What? What? That chick's pretty hot. Too bad I'll never see her again. Fucking nerd. Because I like men. Oh my god, dude. No freaking way. It just gets better, dude! What the hell is this? What? How'd they carve that out, dude? Who put those arches there? Who did? Oh, it's a bridge. Never mind. That was dumb. No way, dude. This road is freaking awesome. I don't even know what to say, dude. This is awesome. Well worth it. Well worth the journey. This is where I was gonna come instead of Yellowstone. Honestly, justified. Absolutely justified. Now imagine this, but if I actually hiked things, that would also be quite insane. My eyes are getting dry because I can't blink. I haven't been blinking because the scenery is too good. Get out of my way, nerd. Just kidding. He's getting his exercise, getting them built calves. Dude, my hands are freezing right now. It's actually cold. Woo! No way! Oh, we got some water. Could be frozen for all I know. Glacier National Park, yo. Oh my god. What the? A rock! What? Should I speak caveman? It's freaking insane in the membrane. Now I'm stuck behind a car. God freaking heck. What? Continental divide. Cross this new divide. Bum bum bam bam just the thing, dude. If I hit that rock, I'm fucking dead. What'd you? That's fine. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. A rock! No way! That one looks like a penis! Do you see the shaft? Oh god, I'm on the other side of the road now. I need to pay attention. Lunch Creek? What if it's dinner time, huh? How about that? What if it's dinner time? You see, it like comes together and then like comes back up for like the tip of a penis. Oh my god, dude! What is that? Oh my god, I'm gonna be so fucking blind going back. Woo! See, that's a wedding that I'd be down for. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm just kidding. Just joking. It's just a joke. Straight down. A rock! No way! A rock! God damn it, slow vehicles use turnouts. So pull over right now! Oh, the sun! Sun. The sun is shining down on me. The sun is shining down on me. I don't even know what I'm saying, dude. The sun is shining on me. I did that one wrong. 25. Bullshit. 35. Take it or leave it. Should just put it in neutral at this point. I'm in neutral. Look at me go. Here we go. Saving fuel. Here we go. Should just turn the bike off at this point. I can't even like tuck to the fucking seats like. Oh, neutral party. Let's go. Let's get down. You like that? You like that, Harley? You like going to neutral? Huh? Neutral. Let's go, dude. We are straight. Rolling, 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 rolling. Oh my god, a rock. I'm in neutral. Ah. Disgusting. I straight up could just turn this off. I'm gonna turn it off. Fuck it. Save myself some fuel. Woo! We don't need an engine for this. We don't need an engine. We're just gonna cruise in neutral. Engine off. Oh! A rock! Oh my god! Wow! Oh! A rock! Oh, this is crazy. Wow. Wow. Do I have to follow traffic laws if I technically am not using my engine? Because at that point I'm not a motor vehicle. Now I'm just a bicycle. Here we are, cruising along. Nice. Nice, man. Are we going uphill now? I don't know how far I'm going to make it. Here we go. Still going. Woo! Still going. The family sitting there was like, what the fuck? Why is it so quiet? Is it electric? No! It was just off. Oh my god. A rock! Oh my god. I like need to be careful about looking around now because I clearly fucking go around in my lane when I do that. This was so worth the 9 miles of dirt flat track. Absolutely. 10 out of 10. Absolutely would do it again. And I will do it again. But on the way back this time. Well, my engine light's on, so that's probably not good. But I have had stupid engine lights pop up before, so not that worried about it. My engine fucking blows up, then, you know, then I'll know. Then I'll know I have a problem. Doesn't seem like it's low on compression or anything, so I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. May seem dumb, but I'm gonna go for it. If anyone finds this GoPro footage because I got sent off of a cliff, just know that I did it. I obviously didn't want to go off the cliff, but I did doing exactly what I wanted to do. So please tell my mom that. Get it back to her. Her number is... What time is it? Where is my phone? Oh my god, I just had a heart attack. Oh my god. I was like, no, I lost it. I should have pulled over. Oh shit. Oh dude. I don't remember how to check engine codes on this, so I'm just gonna hope that it resets. Oh, I have service. I have service? Oh shit, how do I look up these engine codes? I want to say it's that. Diag. Harley P0374. Do I have that much service or no? Probably not. Shit, dude, it's already 7:30. Sunset's in like an hour. Where am I? Can I even finish this trip? Where the fuck am I? I might have to fucking go back. I mean, there's no mountains over there anyway, so. Alright, fuck this, I'm going back. B-O-N-E-C-M-Y. Oh, I don't know, if I die, I die. Oh my god, it's so windy! There was actually quite the amount of codes on that. So, I might just take it easy now. Plus, it's windy, so. Oh, wow. Wow. Dude, I'm like a little pebble in a freaking jar of marbles. But like, the jar of marbles is like the size of Doug Dim Dome. Mega Dome. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, dude! Oh my god! Shit. They need false data, not real data. Suckers. Where did this wind come from? Like, dude, if this is what it would look like after being nuked, fucking nuke me, dude. I am all set. I'm fine with that. The water's even blue. Alright, lady. Speed the fuck up, dude. We got a sunset to view in an hour. I did not expect this to be this freaking awesome. But it humbled me. It told me that it was that freaking awesome. Yeah, that's what it did. Oh my god! Holy rev! Oh Jesus Christ! The fucking wind, dude. It's like 17 different directions at once. Let me pick it up a little bit, huh? I really wish I was able to hike some stuff here, dude. This is insane. The kids are very excited. I don't know what they're excited for, but probably because there's freaking rocks everywhere. Oh my Jesus. Like, that genuinely is just straight up incredible. And I don't really have words, so that's... Oh my god. And that's exactly why every 5 seconds, rather than like... Dude, I don't know. This is just absolutely insane. I don't know how they did that. Like, shit, dude. East Coast is due for like some giant, what the hell are the things called that clash together and make mountains? Continental plates. If those things, I think, are due by like 500 years for a big one on the East Coast. And honestly, if I'm chilling at my house and then the continental plates collide and then we get some freaking mountains and I find myself at the top of the mountain on my house, oh my god, I will absolutely be thrilled. Wow, look at that. Look at that, dude! Now it's just like shadows of rocks. That looks absolutely insane. I just want to see the sunset. I think that'll be really cool if I can get a clip at the sunset. Wait, am I missing it right now? Is that the sunset? It's not due for another hour! Oh no, it's just behind a cloud. Okay. I would literally go over there and eat freaking Pringles for an hour. I don't even care. Oh, I am like actually freezing now. This is very cold now. Bring the sun back! Bring it up! Come on, cloud, stop covering it. Well, when I get back, I'll make sure not to leave my freaking van headlights on all night. That, like, just thinking about that, right? Like, think about it. It's like probably pitch black, like all night, and then you just see my headlights just lighting up the freaking town. Can't see. I'm not doing that. That's sketchy. I'm not gonna pass if I don't know what's coming up ahead. The sun's blinding me too much, and I don't know if I'm going like uphill, how long this straight is, or if it's just around a bend. I want to pass, but it's too dangerous, in my opinion. And if I want to die, I want to die on my own terms and because of my own fault. And that wouldn't really be, I mean, I guess in a way it would be my fault, but like, that's just stupid. Stupid, man. Stupid. stupid, isn't it? It like might actually have just dropped to like 40 degrees. That's what it feels like on my hands right now. Hands are definitely red. Water? A rock! No way! I would be very interested to know what the temperature is right now. But I do not have a thermometer. But I can tell you one thing. It's cold. Should know how it is. This Tesla, dude? Brought a Tesla in the mountains? What the frick? That's awesome. They probably got a generator in the trunk. Wow. That is insane. That is absolutely nuts. It's also absolutely nuts how frozen my hand is right now. Dude, I am not about this 25-mile-an-hour shit right now. I am really not. I don't give a shit what the rules are for this park. Is it already behind the cloud? The mountains? Did I freaking miss it? No, it's behind the cloud, isn't it? Yeah. Take notes, Honda Civic. Slower traffic moves. That's usually how that goes. Thank you. God, with the moon and everything too. Oh, dude. This is absolutely nuts. Oh my God. That is freaking nuts, dude. What? Oh my God, look at that. That's a view. Oh wait, was that my spot? Oh shit, that was my spot, wasn't it? That was the spot I wanted to watch it from. Fucking idiot. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around. Gladly gonna do one of these. Oh shit. I didn't even realize I just did that. I need to slow it down, immediately pulse the throttle. Oh shit, that's funny. Oh my god, dude, that is absolutely beautiful. Dude, the moon like right there in the middle. Quick, we don't have much time left. Jesus Christ, this ride home is gonna suck balls, but it's gonna be so worth it. Gosh darn it. Oh.